So Humberto Brenes, welcome to Las Vegas. You are here for the poker tournaments?
I am in this tournament, but I am out the first day.
Oh,
It's poker. The last 6 years I make second days. Entonces I think it's very easy, but it's not very easy. When you play poker, sometimes it's impossible. This time, the first 4 or 5 hours is very good, up. In 30 minutes, lose 4 hands in the roll. And the last hand I have 2 queens in the bottom, I raise, and the big blind is a nice guy, but I fight with him for 5 hours, and he made me a raise, and he called, I have 2 queens, 3 little cards in the board, and he have kings, I have queens, and go to the Grand Canyon with my family.
That's good, huh?
Yeah.
Hey, but you play poker for a long time, eh? You're a player of the old stamp, you have the results from the 20 years. You win your 2 bracelets in 93, eh?
Yeah, I won 2 bracelets. This is one in the 93. I won this 2 clothes. This is a Hall of Fame. This is very nice. I have 2 bracelets and one World Series Poker Open in Tunica. I have too many.
So you play a long time. Do you see how the new players how they play differently than before? Do you think you have to change your game, or can you still stand your manager?
Change too much. I play for, I have 57 years. I play when I have 7 years. I play for the last 50 years. Come my first time to Vegas in 87. It's 21 years, and the poker changed too much. What is the change? When I come here, I come with my money. I not come for Vegas for money. I come for play poker with the best. I won all time in my country and go to compete. Some people say me, no come to Vegas, not playing the horseshoe. In the horseshoe, too many sharks. And I say, what happened? I come to play with the shark. I not come to play with the bad player. Yeah, when I come to play with the bad player, I stay in Costa Rica.
Yeah.
But okay, in the last year, in last 10 years, first TV, second internet, Poker Star, all the companies, and third, in the old world play holding. Now, all change. Too many books, the young guys can learn easy in internet. In this moment, I teach to my boys. It's very easy teaching. Some people, when have 21 years, it's possible to play more hand to me in 50 years. In internet, you can play 20 hours for day, every 4 or 5 games, and sometimes and all hand only 15, 30 seconds. In the life is very different. You need wait for the people, wait for the table is slowly. There's too many young guys play more hands with me in 2-3 years and learn too much and now change too much. And you understand when the young guys not have problem. This is the reason why the armies use it. The young guys go to the army, no problem, all in, possible for straight or for flush, no problem. Entonces the poker changed too much. Yeah, it's very different. Too many young people, intelligent people play poker, know all the names, the numbers, but. It's good. It's good for the poker. Now more player. The poker is for me the sport for the century 21. I can play with my sons. I can play with my daughter. I can play with my mother-in-law. I can play with my all is no problem. And it's very good for the men. What is the problem? The problem is Alzheimer. When you have more than 60 years, now I need the sport for practice, and the poker I have.
Okay. Now, so let's talk Turkey. How much for the shark?
Okay. I use the shark the first time. One friend gave me and say, Humberto, use it. It's poker face. I never use nothing. I put the card and I say I put 1 chip, and he said me put this. The first day is in 206 when. Last hand in the first day, I make a big pot. Ace deuce diamond. I bet I met the nuts, and I double my stack. Entonces, when I show my card, I put the char, Phil Hellmuth. stay on the side and say, Humberto, why do you say char in Spanish? And in this moment, I don't say, I say, char in Spanish. I say, Humberto. And in this moment, last 3 years, now this is Humberto. Humberto is the char. And I have a problem. This year, I use this. The reason is in Costa Rica, I have an organization with my friends, Char Costa Rican ORG, for protect the hammerhead. The hammerhead is swimming near the coast, and in the last 10 years, 90% the hammerhead is down, the extinction. Entonces, the Naciones Unidas, United Nations said it's danger to desaparecer. Entonces, I used this year the hammerhead and put, this is a boy, this is a girl, boy and girl together, more chars. I try to protect the char. Entonces, I take the poker, the name, the char in poker for try to help to Costa Rica and try to help the animals and the sharks.
Okay. Very good. Thank you very much, Humberto.
It's a pleasure.
And I hope the shark brings you lucky next time.
The char, you see the char, you see the char.